Hey guys, this is Philip with the BC team. I just got to this site and we're gonna be demoing this house behind me to make room for a new house. Come with me. First thing I'm gonna do after I put my phone down is get my drone airborne. You can see looking at this property, there's a lot of trees and shrubs. We're gonna focus on getting all that cleared out just so we can make room for the equipment when we start tearing down the house. Next thing I'm gonna walk over and meet Sheldon and David, the two operators who are gonna be working on this property. I went inside the house and you can see it's actually a nice house, but the owner decided that the repair costs were just too high, so decided to demo and rebuild. Sheldon's starting to work on the trees around the property, making a big pile. He already filled the 2 dumpsters up that we had. This is the following day, and you can see that all the vegetation has been cleared out. Sheldon starts with a little facelift on the front of the property, then moves back to finish off all of the concrete. He's going to load that up into what we call cans to get it hauled away. Now comes the fun part, tearing down the house. Sheldon started at the left side and worked his way across, collapsing the house down into itself. That way it'd be easier to put into the trash bins when they come. A couple days later, I was back on the work site to check on things. You can see the house has been all packed up. Sheldon was working on the last section of the foundation, tearing it up. If you enjoyed this piece of content, be sure to follow for more.